Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where legends never fade and classic muscle tells its real story. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built, the 1969 Dodge Charger RT. This car isn't just metal and horsepower, it's an attitude from an era when roads ruled by raw power and bold design defined freedom. The exterior of the 1969 Dodge Charger RT is where its legend begins. Even today, this car looks aggressive, wide, and unapologetically muscular. The long sculpted hood flows into a bold front fascia that instantly commands attention. The hidden headlight design gives the Charger a clean and menacing look, especially when viewed head-on. The full-width grille paired with deep-set headlights makes the car look like it's staring straight through you. The body lines are sharp and confident, with a Coke bottle shape that perfectly balances elegance and brutality. The RT badging proudly sits on the body, reminding everyone that this is the road track performance model, not just a regular Charger. Many restored or updated versions today feature refreshed chrome trims, upgraded paint finishes, and period-correct racing stripes that enhance the original design without ruining its classic soul. The wide rear stance, iconic taillight panel stretching across the back, and muscular wheel arches give this car a planted, powerful presence even when standing still. From every angle, the 1969 Charger RT looks fast, dangerous, and timeless. Under the hood is where the real magic lives. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT was built for serious performance. The standard engine was the legendary 440 cubic inch Magnum V8, producing around 375 horsepower with massive torque that made instant acceleration feel effortless. For those who wanted the ultimate muscle experience, Dodge offered the infamous 426 Hemi V8, a monster engine that turned the Charger into a street-dominating beast. The throttle response is raw and mechanical, delivering power in a way modern cars simply can't replicate. Whether paired with a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission, the Charger RT delivers aggressive launches and strong mid-range pull that makes every drive feel like a race. The exhaust note is deep, thunderous, and unmistakable, announcing its presence long before it comes into view. When it comes to performance, the 1969 Dodge Charger RT was one of the fastest muscle cars of its time. With the 440 Magnum, the car could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, which was incredibly impressive for a full-size muscle car in the late 1960s. The Hemi-powered version was even quicker, offering brutal acceleration that pinned drivers to their seats. The maximum speed of the Charger RT varies depending on the engine and gearing, but it could reach approximately 130 to 150 miles per hour, making it a true high-speed cruiser on open highways. The suspension setup, while not as refined as modern systems, was designed to handle aggressive driving and straight-line dominance. The RT package also included heavy-duty brakes and suspension upgrades to manage the immense power under the hood. Fuel average was never a priority for cars like the 1969 Dodge Charger RT, and that's part of its charm. With a massive V8 engine, fuel consumption is heavy by today's standards. On average, the Charger RT delivers around 8 to 10 miles per gallon in city driving and up to 12 miles per gallon on highways under gentle cruising. Owners didn't buy this car to save fuel, they bought it for power, sound, and the thrill of driving a true muscle icon. Even today, enthusiasts accept the fuel economy as a fair trade for the unmatched driving experience and emotional connection this car delivers. Now let's talk about the price. Update, which is a major point of interest for collectors and fans. The value of a 1969 Dodge Charger RT has climbed significantly over the years. A well-maintained or fully restored example with the 440 Magnum engine typically ranges between $80,000 to $120,000 depending on condition, originality, and documentation. Hemi-powered versions are far more rare and desirable, often commanding prices well above $200,000, and in some cases even higher at auctions. Resto-mod versions with modern upgrades can also fetch premium prices if the work is done tastefully. This car is no longer just transportation, it's an investment, a collectible, and a symbol of American muscle history. Driving a 1969 Dodge Charger RT today is like stepping back into a golden era. There are no digital screens, no driving modes, and no electronic filters. Everything feels mechanical, connected, and honest. The steering has weight, the throttle demands respect, and the engine responds with pure muscle car drama. This is a car that rewards confident drivers and commands attention wherever it goes. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT remains one of the most respected and admired muscle cars ever built. Its bold exterior, legendary performance, brutal speed, unapologetic fuel appetite, and rising market value make it a true icon that continues to dominate car culture even decades later. If you love classic American muscle, this Charger isn't just a car, it's a statement. This is Old Studio Car, bringing you timeless legends that still rule the road. Stay connected, stay classic, and keep the muscle alive.